Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious veg ramen bowl. First, let's start with the heart of any great ramen, the broth. You'll want a rich, savory vegetable broth. You can use a store-bought option or make your own from scratch with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. Simmer it gently to develop deep flavors. This foundational step is crucial for a truly satisfying bowl. Next, let's get our noodles and toppings ready. Cook your ramen noodles separately, following the package instructions for perfect al dente texture. While they cook, quickly sauté your chosen vegetables, like mushrooms, bok choy, or carrots, until tender crisp. If you're adding protein, pan-fry some tofu or prepare a perfectly soft-boiled egg. This ensures everything is fresh and ready. Now for the exciting part, assembling your ramen bowl. Start by placing the cooked noodles neatly into a large, deep bowl. Carefully arrange your sautéed vegetables and any protein around the noodles. Then, slowly pour the piping hot, flavorful broth over everything. Finish with fresh garnishes like chopped scallions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick. The best part about a veg ramen bowl is how easily you can customize it. Feel free to experiment with different spices, a dash of soy sauce, or a spoonful of miso paste to tailor the flavor to your liking. Don't forget extra toppings like nori, corn, or a squeeze of lime for added brightness. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.